Hi there, this is our Scott 6276 by 3 metre lathe. It's a medium sized lathe with a big swing on it. It was manufactured in 2013, we sold it in 2014. It's got some good features on it. It's got the quick change tool post, the rapids, digital readout and the 2-speed tailstock. Got the emergency brake, etc. Someone's made a bit of a chuck guard on it. It's in very good condition and ticks over nicely. The only faults that I noticed with it is someone's done a couple of 20mm long welds on the cross slide there for some reason, and it's got a the gap itself has got a crack which I've photographed. You'll see in the photographs there. Someone's obviously misfitted that gap at some stage, but you'll see those photos there. So it's all tidy along that back and the end here. That digital readout's working. You won't see that in the sunlight. I haven't put coolant in it, but that coolant pump's ticking over. So starting with the tailstock, that lock's working nicely, and the 2-speed tailstock's working nicely, and so is that lock. And it feels nice, that moss taper inside. You've got your shaft supports here. Carriage is nice to move. I'll bring that lever out. So is that cross slide with very little movement in that. Now I'll put that lever in rather than it gets me, and a little bit of movement in that compound slide. I'll start it up. I'll switch that light on. Oh, sorry, that's the coolant. So yeah, you can't actually hear that pump. That's the light. And I'll take you through those feeds first. So forward, reverse, now forward and stop. So that's the E-stop there. I'll start it up. You can start it up on the carriage as well, that main motor. I'll take you through the feeds there. So those are I've just got the lead screw running at the moment, now the feed shaft. I've got that running quite fast, and I'll engage that lead screw, and that's coming towards me on that. I'll stop that, put you onto the feeds, and that's the feeds running now. So basically I've got that feed coming towards me. You probably won't see that because it's pretty slow, and I can rapid that as well, so I'm just rapiding that. Feed's going the other way, so that's slowly feeding that way, and I can rapid that way as well. The cross slide going in, you'll probably see that, it's feeding in, and I can rapid that in. And now cross slide feeding out, and I'm rapiding that out now. So that's the feeds and rapids. And I'll take you through some of the gear range. I won't take you through everything. That was the very low range, so I'll jump into the next range, will be better. So that's 270 in there. Take you through to, say, this. Whoopsie. Oops. So that is C, which is 140. D, which is 180. Put you back to B, which is 215. So that's the mid-range gears. We'll go into high, start slowish, which will be there at 450. Whoopsie. G, which is 335. I'm trying to run you through to C. C, which is 560. Take you through to D, which is 710. B, which is 900. Just be a bit naughty and slow that down. And last one, A, which is 1120. So that was the fastest speed there. I've taken you through most of them. So there's probably not a lot more to demonstrate. So it's a late model lathe. It's got a good swing on it. It's got that quick change, the rapids, the digital readout, that 2-speed tailstock, and it's all set to go.